I'm Chandana Mahato and welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of elections, class 9th ICSE history and civics. So we'll be discussing about kinds of election. There are two kinds of election: direct election and the indirect election. Direct election is, in the direct election the voters vote directly, elect the representative as the legislative of India. So basically we directly vote for them, like for example for panchayat and all. Example of the exactly in the Lok Sabha with the Vidhan Sabha, municipal corporation, municipal the various panchayat. The election takes place in every 5 years. The political party wins majority in the Lok Sabha. So people who win gets the majority, वो जीतते हैं. Similarly, the political party the majority Vidhan Sabha forms the state government. So सबसे ज़्यादा जिसमें विधान सभा में जिसको वोट आते हैं वो state government form करता है. Okay, so talking about the indirect elections in the India, the Union Legislative Parliament consists of two houses. The upper house is the Rajya Sabha and the lower house is the Lok Sabha. So upper house Vidhan Sabha Legislative Council and the lower house the lower house or the Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly. Only 5 states have the houses other than the only legislative assembly. Indirect elections take place in the members of the Rajya Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha in the state. Adult citizens of 18 years and above Vidhan Sabha legislative cast their votes to elect their members of the Rajya Sabha to represent the state in parliaments. Member of the legislative assemblies elect a part of the members of the legislative council of the respective states. Our president is elected by the votes and the elected members of the houses of the parliaments who elect the members of legislative. The vice president is elected by the elected MPs of both the houses of the parliament through their votes. In that election, the representative of the people play the role of the voters. The candidate of both the direct election and the indirect required certain qualification in the contest of the election. So second is the types of elections. There are basically 3 types of elections: general election, midterm elections, and by-elections. First, the general elections, when voting takes place to elect the members of most of the constituents of a state, it must call a general election. The Constitution of India has provided for general elections every 5 years. It's conducted to select the members of the Lok Sabha and the members of the Legislative Assembly. We had the first general election in India to elect the MP of the Lok Sabha in 1952, and the 16th general election were held in 2014. Only 2 union territories of Delhi and Pondicherry conduct general elections to elect the members of the Legislative Assembly of the state. The political party which gets a majority in the Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly forms the new government of the state. Midterms. So what are midterms elections? It may happen to the Prime Minister and his Council of the Minister may lose the no confidence motion in a parliament. He resigns with the minister. In such case, the president dissolves the Lok Sabha and calls for a fresh elections. A similar event may occur in a state. The chief minister and his council of ministers may lose the support of the majority of the members of the legislative assembly. The chief minister of the council of the ministers resign. Then the governor may dissolve it. The election held within 5 years to inform a new legislative, either the Lok Sabha or the Vidhan Sabha of a new government, is called the midterm elections. By election, it is an elected MP of the Lok Sabha of an elected MLA. The Vidhan Sabha resigns his or her post. If he dies in the office or seats become vacant, the election is held to fill the empty seat. So midterm election में क्या होता है जब form a new legislature either with the Lok Sabha, the new government जब form होते हैं उसको मिड टर्म इलेक्शंस बोलते हैं. बट बाई इलेक्शन तब जब किसी का डेथ हो जाता है या सीट वेकेंट हो जाती है, जो वापस जो इलेक्शंस करना हो, मानो सभी झारखंड में रामदास सोरेन की डेथ हो गई अभी, उसके बाद हेमंत सोरेन के सन आई गेस वो आया, तो जब उनकी डेथ हो जाती है बिटवीन द टेन्योर, तो जो 5 साल का उनका टेन्योर है, तो उसको बाई इलेक्शंस बोलते हैं. सो आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.